start as hired web developer. Why is it the most popular strategy? It offers you a top high paid job income and you can do it quite fast, although it's not as fast as freelance. Your income is stable from month to month and from year to year. Out of all three choices, it is more comfortable to work as an employee. Out of all three, it has the lowest level of stress. You have a month of paid holiday per year. And for those ones who care about private pensions or bonuses, working as a web developer can give you access to the highest ones on the job market. You'll have free time before your working hours and after, and the weekend is free as well. You can work hybrid or 100% fully remote. Startup companies offer shares for people with great impact. You have a 9-to-5 job. When working as an employee for a company, you can focus on solving problems and developing solutions using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and acquiring clients, dealing with contracts, negotiations, invoices, company development, promoting, accountants, lawyers, salaries, and many more come as a responsibility on the shoulders of other colleagues of yours more specialized on that specific domain, so you don't have to worry too much about it. To join a team and practice daily, subscribe to Join Wowdope and apply.